On May 19th, one of the fastest growing developer platforms on the internet went completely dark. No dashboard, no deploys, no services. For nearly 10 hours, Railway just vanished. And the reason? It wasn't a bug, it wasn't a hacker. It was Google. At 22:10 UTC, Railway's monitoring started screaming. Dashboard, 503 errors. API, dead. Logins, failing. Within 9 minutes, engineers had the answer, and it was almost worse than an outage. Google Cloud had suspended Railway's entire production account. No warning, no email, no phone call. An automated action just switched them off. Railway spends over $10 million a year on Google Cloud, and still no heads up. Here's what makes this brutal. Railway runs workloads on their own bare metal and on AWS, not just GCP. But the network control plane lived on Google Cloud. When GCP went, the routing cache at the edge slowly expired. And one by one, healthy servers on completely different clouds started returning 404s. Metal died after 75 minutes. AWS followed. The blast radius was total. By 4 a.m. UTC, the dashboard was back. By 7:58, the incident was officially closed. Nearly 10 hours of downtime, triggered by one mistaken click inside Google. This is exactly what Zopnite's blast radius is built for, showing you exactly what breaks when one upstream dependency fails. This isn't the first time. In 2024, Google Cloud accidentally deleted UniSuper, a $50 billion pension fund. Now Railway. The pattern is the same. Automated enforcement systems, zero human review, and customers left explaining outages they didn't cause. Hacker News lit up. The Register ran the headline. Even Railway's own engineer admitted on Twitter, "Our customers don't care whether the failure was Google or Railway. Your uptime is our responsibility." Railway has now committed to ripping Google Cloud out of the hot path entirely. True multi-cloud mesh, database shards across AWS and Metal. No more single points of failure, corporate or technical. The lesson for the rest of us? You don't just depend on a cloud. You depend on a cloud's billing department, their fraud algorithms, and their willingness to pick up the phone. The internet runs on 3 companies, and sometimes one of them just hits the off switch. The question isn't if it happens to your stack, it's whether you'll see it coming.